Good morning. I would like to take some information regarding your travel package announcement. So this is the topic for today. TEF speaking task 1. Vous avez vu une annonce pour un forfait de voyage et vous appelez une agence de voyage d'enfants obtenir des renseignements avant de faire la réservation. Before making the reservation for travel package, you want to call the travel agency. First question we are going to make: quelles sont les destinations disponibles? Disponible means available. What are the different destinations which are available? This is a question word. Quelles sont, which are. Combien, how much. How much it will cost. How much it will cost. Coûte, it means price. We are asking about price. Of what? Forfait, that is travel package. Of travel package. What is the price of travel package? Que comprend, what is included. Que means what. Comprend means it consists of, it composes of what. We are asking about the travel package. Combien de jours dure le voyage? Number of days, how many. You understand that in French we are using the same word for saying how much as well as how many. Here we were saying how much, here we are using how many. Days dure le voyage. Dure is duration. What is the duration of this voyage? Quel type de hôtel? What type? What type of hotel is included? Is included in it. Now what else is the reduction that you are giving for children? Y a-t-il, is there, right? Reduction, that is discount pour les enfants, for children. If there is any discount for children. Next question we are making: quels sont les moyens de paiement? What are the different methods? Moyens means methods or means. Methods of what? Payment. Payment. How I can pay for it. Quel est le prochain départ? What is the next departure? Prochain is next. Départ, that is departure. So what is the next departure date? Actually we are asking it. Comment, how? Comment puis-je, can I reserve the travel package? So we have used a different type of question words here to make questions. So these are very easy questions. If you find this video to be helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel for upcoming video on new topic. Thank you. Merci.